Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Look what we have here, a 1969 VW 23 window bus Vanagon. This thing was just finished a rotisserie restoration. It's as beautiful underneath as it is on top. It's decked out to the max, from the cyclops light to factory air conditioning. It actually blows cold inside of this car. I've got so many neat features to tell you about and show you. So go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs and study all the pictures. And that's also where you'll find prices on 200 of the collector cars that we offer for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, it'd be my pleasure. Join me, let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't this just adorable? It's so cute. People love these things, and I understand why. We're trying to do the video and people are just walking up. They're just gravitated to it. I wrote in the description, more people take pictures next to this than they do our Hollywood cars, our Batmobile. But anyway, people just love these. This one was on a rotisserie. The guy literally has this big metal circle. He strips it down to a bare shell and it gets bolted in there, and you can roll it upside down. So the bottom is painted this color. It's all metal, and all the chassis, suspension, steering, that was all rebuilt underneath this VW. Colors are beautiful. I couldn't imagine a better color combination on this vehicle. A nice like surf green, bluish green color with the white. Now it is the 23 window, so it's got corner windows, windows up on top, and if you notice, a lot of them actually do pop open. They pop open on the sides, the door glass slides back, there's a little latch mechanism, you can lock it in position. All this glass looks new too. You got vent windows, and then this is pretty rare, the safari windshields. They pop open, you can seal them shut obviously, to all the way open or anywhere in between. You might have noticed the cyclops light. That's a really unique feature that separates it from a lot of the others. Air also blows in underneath this brow here, and there's inside there's like a ventilation system. You can have the air blowing in on you. Now it has the iconic V in the front with the big Volkswagen chrome emblem. This is a piece of aluminum. It's polished and straight all the way around the bus. Nice red detail in between there. Glass lenses, all the chrome is done. Bumpers are painted, the rub strips are new mirrors. Now it has two roof racks bolted on here. One up front, a big one in the back. There's a ladder on the other side to get up there. This one has an aluminum running board, a nice feature. It has radial whitewall tires. This is so new, it still has the nubs on the tread. The rims are painted, it has new caps and trim rings. And this is beautiful, smooth, glossy paint. You know, a lot of these Volkswagens are a little wavy, or they just don't do them that nice. This one's done really well. I just noticed all these chrome details on these louvers right here. And if you peek in through the glass, you see these chrome bars. There's another accessory you typically don't see. Now this here opens. I can't open it all the way because of the beam, but it's all reupholstered. The whole inside of the cabin was painted, and then it was put back together with cabinets and upholstery. We'll get to that in a second. But these rub strips on the back bumper are redone. You got the ladder right here. All the gaskets around the windows were replaced. This paint is smooth. It's like a mirror. You got this nice trim down here with the red detail. All new gaskets around the doors. So the front compartment, again, all the metal was painted, and it's all reupholstered. It has this nice plaid material. There's a little bit of blue-green in there, and then the brown with nice contrasting stitching. Door panels are done to match. It has a fan, has a little wire basket with cup holders, has a tray down below the dash. Carpet on the floor is bound to edges all around it. Has a fire extinguisher, and they also added retractable seat belts to this one right here. So up front is all refinished real nice. There's a spare tire behind the seat. And the seat's caught up on the seat belt there. There we go. Now here's where it starts to get even cooler. You got a camper, a functional, usable camper in here. This was all redone by a professional that does camper interiors. This is not some homemade job that someone did. This here pulls out, which I thought was nifty. You have a sink. You have to bring your own water. You have an electric stove top. Also have a refrigerator inside here, brand new, never used. You got a table that pops up here. You got a table inside that pops up. You got a compartment. So we'll get to the motor compartment here. The original 4-cylinder motor has been completely rebuilt. It is detailed like brand new. The alternator, carburetor, distributor, all of it looks new. The nuts and bolts look new. Everything's painted, the whole engine bay. I can see a gas tank back there is painted white. New belts, wires, everything. That's all redone in there. Back inside here, of course, the seats fold flat. It will make a bed. There's seat belts in the back. There's storage compartments under the seat. Has an extra battery with an inverter. You can plug in down there if you are at a campsite. And there is an inverter under the seat because there's a real neat feature that I'll show you in a second. And keep in mind, this is air conditioned. It blows in the back and it blows cold air. I would think that's pretty rare in one of these. I didn't know such a thing existed. Also comes with this neat picnic basket. It's a vintage picnic basket. It's never been used. It's a reproduction, so it's full of all the silverware and cups and what have you. But a really neat feature that I'm sure you're not expecting is this TV. It pops up. I don't know how many old Volkswagen 23 windows have a flat screen television in it that pops up out of the camper. I didn't even mention the convertible top. The top is all restored, easily slides back, has a wind deflector right here, and the headliner inside is all new. The white perforated headliner. You have curtains at each window. It's just got so many cool features. I probably forgot to mention several of them, but just what a neat vehicle on so many levels. Whether you want to go camping or you just want to take a bunch of your friends to a football game or whatever you want to do. Or you just want to look at it or just go to car shows, or if you could charge people $1 a picture, you'd probably pay for it in a couple of years. So anyway, that's my impression. I see thousands of cars a year. This is in the top 10 or 20 as far as being memorable. This thing's just outstanding. I love everything about it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to ask. And they can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can get financing for you. That's at volocars.com. And speaking of getting it delivered to your driveway, this fits right in your garage. You can go camping. You can drive this to work every day. You bring it right in your garage. How many campers can you do that with? So there you have it. If you like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.